Welcome back to Ingezo Education. Now, in this video, we'll be focusing on what? 4.2 up until what? 4.2.3 there. We'll be focusing on 4.2, then 4.3, we'll do it on the next video. Thank you very much. So we are given now the function defined by h of x equals to minus what? Root 13 minus root 13 minus x squared. And k at x, which is how much? 3 divided by x plus 1. They say write down the domain of what now? The domain of h now. 4.2.1. 4.2.1. Domain, which is now we're going to how much? Domain of what? Which is what? X is an element of what? Of real numbers. We are done. X is an element of real numbers. X is an element of real numbers. 4.2.2a. It says now, determine the equation of the asymptote of k now. The asymptotes, not the asymptote. The asymptotes, which is the first one, it will be x is equals to 0. And the second one, it will be what? Y is equals to how much? Y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1. Then for b now, B it says now the x-intercept of k now. The x-intercept of k now. For x-inter, let what? K at x equals to 0 there. Which is going to have 0 is equals to how much? 3 divided by x plus 1, which is transpose, we're going to have negative 1. Nice. Which is going to have negative 1, which is going to have 3 divided by x. We cross multiply, which is therefore x is equal to how much? Negative 3. Nice. Which is now the x-intercept, it will be how much now? We're going to have negative 3 and what? And 0. Nice. Now they say hence sketch what now? Let's check what? Our radius, it will be how much? Nice. Now they say 4.2.3 hence sketch the graphs of h and k on the same set of axes now. Nice. Which is 4.2.3, which is we're going to draw our graphs there. Nice. That will be our two graphs, which is we have in what? The asymptote, which is plus 1. Y is equals to 1. Nice. And then we have the x-intercept, which is how much? Negative 3 and 0, which is it will be this part, which is the graph, it will be moving like that now. Nice. The coordinate there is negative 3 and 0, which is we're going to have a graph that is moving like that now. We don't have a y-intercept because the y-axis now is our what now? The y-axis is our asymptote. Our y-axis is our vertical asymptote in this case. So our graph will just be like that. So remember that for what now? Just do it like that. We have h of x is equals to how much? Negative what? Root of how much? 13 minus x squared, which is our r here. Our r here will be how much? Will be root 13. Which is, remember, we have negative there. It shows that it is in that. Which is root 13. When we put root 13, our calculator there, what is root 13? Is 3,6 there. Nice. Which is our 3,6 will just be here now. Nice. Negative 3,6, negative 3,6, and 3,6. Our graph will just be moving like that now. Yes, which is negative 3,6, 3,6, and negative 3,6, which is here we are going to have how much? Root 13. Here is how much? Negative root 13. Here it will be how much now? 0 is 0 and how much? Here it will be 0 and how much? Negative root 13 now. Nice. So this one it will be how much now? This one it will be our h of x. This one it will be our k at x. Yes, this one it will be our k at x. Nice. Zonke zizochikelele now. That will be our graph now. Nice. Yes. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Zonke zizochikelele now. Thank you.